Good morning, this is John Elder from 5 Dog Digital Marketing, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing social media optimization, or SMO, which is kind of like SEO's, cousin, I guess a good analogy would be. So to understand a little bit about social media optimization, I'm going to break it down a brief little description of what it is. Then we'll discuss the connection between social media and search, or how it relates to SEO. And I'll give you 6 quick little strategies you could use today to really optimize your presence online in the social media sphere. So what is social media optimization? SMO, or social media optimization, encourages businesses to assess, monitor, and alter their content to conform to social media best practices, first of all. But it also has all kinds of businesses prefer building their social media presence by putting their content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Social media optimization is the purposeful creation, development, and optimization of digital marketing plan to communicate with their target demographic. So that's kind of like the canned definition there. So basically, you're going to be working your social media in order to spread your content. So if like you're writing blogs on your website, it'd be a good idea to share those to your Facebook, your Twitter, to your Instagram, whatever. Or Instagram's more for graphics, would go there very easily. Or just funny stuff. I like the 20% method myself. I'll put 20% marketing material out there, solid, hard, in-depth analysis and whatnot, and then try to mix it up with like some inspirational stuff, some funny stuff, because it kind of helps prime the Facebook algorithm for user engagement. Now, if you put something funny on there and you get 50 likes, then you post something business related on there later and it doesn't hardly get any traffic, it's still getting viewed, because once you start getting a ton of likes on something, like something funny you posted, it's going to prime the algorithm so that your deliverables get spread out farther and wider. So that kind of helps expand the reach, loosens the crowd, makes you seem personable, and then you can bring them in with your pitch once you got all the eyeballs. So mix it up a little bit. I'm going down a rabbit hole. Never mind. Understanding social media optimization. SMO is one of the leading digital marketing strategies, or it's quickly becoming one of the social leading strategies. SMO primarily focuses on attracting visitors from sources other than the search engines. That's where SEO comes in. SMO allows SMM, social media marketing initiatives, to operate better by improving content, similar to how SEO supports higher search engine rankings. It may also implement online reputation management. If someone submits an unfavorable review about your company, an SMO strategy can ensure that the negative review are not the first thing that pops up in the search engines. So that's one of the good points there. There's several others. We'll touch on those in a minute. The connection between social media and search, though. To explain this one, another engagement strategy used by companies to promote interactions with potential consumers and customers is to create online communities or relevant social media sites such as Facebook, YouTube, etc. Because millions of individuals use one of these social media platforms regularly, there's going to be several options to increase your brand visibility and expand your business. Get more eyeballs, get more clicks, get more customers. People spend more time interacting, discovering relevant content, fascinating stuff, cat videos, whatever, and just sharing it with their friends on social, like social sites like Facebook, Instagram, all those. So we know that billions of people are on here using social media accounts to exchange these things, so it's beneficial for you to get in front of them with that. Social media helps establish enormous networks of connections and supporters that can assist you promoting your company. Hook a brother up, share his posts. Have your friends hook you up, share your posts. Whatever helps expand your reach and spread it out. It all is free and it is all very helpful. Social media directed at social networking sites is quickly becoming a mainstream form of material. So that's also a good little tip. Hit those networks. User-generated content is one of the most valuable pieces of information available online, since it represents the audience's true voice. Think about your blogs there for a second. Social media marketing is listening to the community, reacting in kind at the most basic level. That's why I always say, when you're planning out your blogs, do a little keyword research, find what questions people are plugging in Google so that you can answer those questions directly. Not only does it help increase your odds of getting a featured snippet on the top slot, it also helps increase your ranking on the SEO side, but on the SMO side, this user-generated content can be shared across your social media networks in order to further engage your audience, up the number of views you're getting on your YouTube because you just shared a link to it, and ultimately drive them back to your website where they'll convert to a customer. So that's where we're going with this one. That being said, I wanted to give you a couple good optimization strategies. I think the first one I would like to discuss is content strategy. Now, maintaining your social media presence, uniqueness, and personality. Use creative ideas and ingenuity. Choose an engaging and unique voice to help your company stand out from the crowd. Create content that elicits emotions and responses from consumers by thinking outside the box. When you develop content that connects with your audience, regardless of the brand, it's just easy to gain people's interest. Give your brand a common touch by making it more personable. Include anecdotes and stories in your postings. User engagement is aided by story-based material, often attracting millions of followers. Make your content stand out by using unique material with a genuine and upbeat tone. Be you. Be your goofy ass self. Don't worry too much about trying to be something you think you should be. People smell that, and that kind of inauthenticity just reeks of used car salesman and it'll drive people running away. Be yourself. Be weird. Embrace it. You'll find your tribe. And the second one I wanted to mention, optimize your profiles. Adding incentives to your social media profiles as and when they are needed enhances their potential to be viewed and shared. To acquire more views and shares makes your content profile appealing to the eye. The text and the colors must complement the profile and create an atmosphere that elicits emotional response. Think about your branding. Try and incorporate those color schemes into your social media. And of course your logos so that people can easily spot, oh, there they are, that's their logo. Kind of the purpose of a logo, really. Use an image creation tool to create eye-catching, more visually appealing material like Canva. That's a good source that a lot of people choose to use in order to brand their posts. Want to make a thumbnail for your post and get your logo on there and whatnot? Canva's a great cheat tool for that. It piques the interest of individuals of all ages and various demographics. Colors give life to information and perform wonders in content marketing, especially video. I would say not just colors or graphics. They definitely help liven up a post, but video catches more eyeballs than anything. So think of little YouTube videos like this. Think of shorts. Those are just taking off. So YouTube Shorts, Facebook Stories, Instagram, things like that are getting very popular. So you want to think about incorporating that as part of your overall marketing strategy. Furthermore, they readily catch attention and make any plain post really stand out. When you employ colors on your social media sites, your content is more likely to garner more views and engagement. Now, the next would be definitely add your social media badges to your website. Just like you want to connect your social media to your website, you want your website also pointing back to your social media so you can drive traffic in every direction. This is basic link building. And link building is critical for increasing visitors and reach on the internet and social media platforms alike. So this kind of applies in an SEO way and an SMO way. High quality inbound and external connections aid in improving your social media reach. It improves the exposure of your social media account and helps in the acquisition of additional likes, followers, and subscribers. When you include external links to your social media material on your website, search engines are more likely to learn more about your site, create high quality content, and connect it to external links. With a high page rank, choose themes that encourage people to share your material more quickly. It's nice if someone can just share something with one click. Helps you get more eyeballs, helps you reach a larger audience, and it makes for a better user experience for them if they can do anything with just one click. You need to make it simple for people. This also allows users to share your content across several platforms with ease. The majority of people have their social media accounts open. It allows people to share the materials more easily by clicking the social media networking icon on the website. You additionally learn how many people have shared your content on various social networks. For example, Facebook has a pixel that you can download to your website, and then you can track all kinds of data about people who have come in through your ads, about people who have come to your website, and then you want to retarget them with your ads. That's also another method. Social media marketing kind of ties into ads really critically, especially if you're running social media ads like Facebook ads or whatnot. Lastly, creating a public profile for your social media platform with all social networking links makes it easier for others to find, like, and share your content. The more people that you can get in front of, the better. It's like throwing 50 fishing poles lines overboard and you're gonna catch something at that point. It's just a matter of time. Next, connecting with influencers. Getting in touch with influential people in your business, in your niche, in your space, like mental health space, direct primary care space, all those different industries. Make your brand noticed among social social media influencers. Social media influencers are found on various platforms, and spreading your content through them will increase the number of people that visit your social media, and that handles and your brand's visibility. Sharing through social media influencers have increased traffic and followers by 90%. You can establish relationships with influencers and increase the visibility of your company. Joining relevant social media sites. Content that does well on one social media site may not do as well on another. Select from several social media networks and establish content goals for each. Make a content strategy on the people you want to reach and the industry you want to promote. Make deliberate plans to create a brand that will help grow your business. When you elevate and organize your social media content, you're more likely to get your desired response. Use tools to get full view of how your material is performing across various social media platforms. This will assist you in determining which platform needs what. Make use of social media optimization software. This kind of follows on the last point. You'll need to use the correct tools to assist you in social media optimization effort. And here's a couple resources for you. Marketing automation tools like Marketo, HubSpot, Salesforce are all pretty good. A little on the pricey side for the Salesforce, but they kind of put everything together in one spot. Then we have image creation tools like Canva, like I mentioned earlier, and PicMonkey is also pretty good. You'll need your social media scheduling services such as Buffer, Sprout Social, Later Search, Social Media, and we have some integrated with Go High Level, which is part of our smart website package. It also features integrations like Calendar and all these other things, but one of the core things that's applicable here is you can actually create all of your social media posts for like the entire month and plan day and what time you want it to drop. So you could spend one day just crafting social media, put it on autopilot, and you're good. And you're going to be dropping new posts every day. And at that point, all you have to do is kick back, monitor, and reply to any inquiries, any kind of interactions you want to jump in on. That's all good. You also want some audience research tools like Alexa Marketing and some automation tools like Marketo, HubSpot, Salesforce, or Go High Level. So that's a couple pieces of software to really help make this easy for you, so you're not spending all time on Facebook. And let me see, all companies look out for an enthralled and devoted audience on social media. Social media optimization is a cost-effective technique to boost brand image and create solid impact on the global audience. However, building a large social media audience is not as easy as it sounds. One brand or business cannot rely much on a single platform. This is where SMO comes into play. SMO is a strategy to uplift your brand's interaction with other companies. As a result, it helps expand your company's reach worldwide. You can become a social media master in a very short amount of time. There's courses online. There's social media certification courses, training courses. I know Facebook has Blueprint, and all the other major platforms have similar programs. If you search for advanced social media training, you're going to get a ton of hits. That's also some good stuff, especially the shorter courses. A lot of this you really don't want to get bogged down in, otherwise it's like very time consuming. There's also virtual assistants that we have that help with your social media marketing strategy. So if you're looking to expand your reach and expand your brand awareness, that's where social media really comes in. If you're running social media ads, having those pixels and other integrated softwares with your website will help you track your ad campaigns and see how many of them are actually converting into website visitors. Plus, you'll be able to track the effectiveness of your ads in that respect, because not only will you be able to see how many clicks you got, you'll be able to also see how many of those people that clicked actually got to your website and tooled around and actually filled out the contact form, got a hold of you. So that's good. And also, when you're utilizing these pixels and whatnot, if someone actually goes to your website and just pokes around and explores a little bit and then leaves, that pixel is going to basically put a tracker on them. So everywhere they go, your ad's going to retarget them. Those are called retargeting ads. So that's another kind of gray area between social media optimization and social media marketing. So we'll do another one on social media marketing later, but that's kind of a little bit about social media optimization. You want to really get your name out there. You want to share those links. You want to share your content on those links. You want to make it easy to find. So you want to have those links on your website, and you definitely want to include your social media links like on your blog posts and whatever other media that you share, so that if someone else sees it and likes it, they can share it themselves with the click of a button. And now you're covering not only your network, but their network too. And that's how things start to go viral, which is a good thing for you, because the more eyeballs you see, the more traffic your website gets, clicks, which then converts into more clients. So if you have any questions about social media optimization, feel free to drop them below. And otherwise, I will look forward to seeing you liking and sharing right here. And stay tuned for my next video. This has been John with 5 Dog Digital Marketing. Hope this helps your understanding of social media optimization. Until next time, sayonara.